Understanding Project Management, a comprehensive guide. Project management is a critical discipline that encompasses the careful planning, organization, and execution of a company's resources to complete a defined task, event, or duty. This process can be applied to both one-time projects and ongoing activities across various industries. Effective project management ensures the successful delivery of specific initiatives, whether in construction, information technology, healthcare, or any other sector. Key takeaways. Core functions. Project management involves 5 key stages: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. Diverse methodologies. There are numerous project management methodologies such as Waterfall, Agile, Lean, Kanban, Six Sigma, and Scrum. Cross-industry application. While particularly important in fields like construction and engineering, project management principles are essential across all sectors. The project management process. Stages of project management. 1. Initiation. This first stage is where a project begins. Ideas are brainstormed, feasibility studies are conducted, and goals and objectives are defined. This sets the stage for aligning the project with organizational objectives. 2. Planning. The planning phase involves laying down a blueprint for the project. This entails breaking down the project into manageable tasks, estimating necessary resources, and developing comprehensive timelines and milestones. Resource allocation, risk management, and stakeholder engagement are also crucial components of this phase. 3. Execution. In this action-oriented phase, the project plan is put into motion. Team members are assigned tasks, collaboration occurs, and deliverables are produced. Quality assurance checks and progress tracking are important to ensure outputs meet the expected standards. 4. Monitoring. This ongoing process is crucial once execution begins. Project managers track performance against the project plan, address any issues or deviations, and implement change management processes to manage any modifications in scope, schedule, or resources. 5. Closing. This final phase signifies the completion of the project. Deliverables are handed over to clients or stakeholders, remaining administrative tasks are finalized, and a debriefing session captures lessons learned for future projects. Project management methodologies. 1. Waterfall project management. The waterfall model is a linear approach where each project phase must be completed before the next begins. This structured methodology emphasizes sequential task completion and is ideal for projects with well-defined requirements. 2. Agile project management. Originating in software development, Agile focuses on iterative progress and flexibility. Agile teams work in sprints to complete tasks concurrently, enabling them to adapt to changes and improve deliverables continuously. This methodology values customer feedback and team collaboration. 3. Lean project management. Lean methodology prioritizes minimizing waste, whether of time or resources. The goal is to maximize value for customers by reducing anything that does not directly contribute to project outcomes. 4. Kanban project management. Kanban employs visual boards to illustrate tasks and their progress within the workflow. Its visual nature fosters transparency and prioritizes efficiency by helping teams recognize bottlenecks in the process. 5. Six Sigma project management. Focused on process improvement, Six Sigma aims to reduce defects and variations. This data-driven approach uses the DMAIC framework, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, to systematically enhance project outcomes. 6. Scrum project management. Scrum is an agile framework that advocates for iterative work in short cycles called sprints. Daily stand-up meetings and retrospective sessions foster a collaborative environment where teams can quickly adapt to changing demands. Tools for effective project management. A variety of software and tools can enhance project management efficiency, including project management software. Tools like Microsoft Project, Asana, and Trello help in planning, tracking tasks, and managing timelines. Communication platforms. Tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams facilitate real-time collaboration, increasing transparency and responsiveness among team members. Document management systems. Solutions like Google Drive or SharePoint ensure that all team members have access to the latest project documentation. Time tracking software. Applications like Harvest and Toggle help teams monitor time spent on tasks and ensure budget compliance. Risk management tools. Products like Risk Register allow teams to identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Project management versus program management. While both project and program management are essential to organizational success, they serve different purposes. Project management focuses on delivering specific, time-bound projects, whereas program management oversees collections of related projects, aligning them with strategic organizational goals. This distinction is crucial for effectively managing resources and achieving broader business outcomes. Why project management matters. Effective project management ensures that complex projects are delivered on time, within budget, and meet quality standards. By breaking down large objectives into manageable tasks, project management improves efficiency and accountability, ultimately leading to successful project outcomes. Real-world example. Consider a project manager tasked with developing a new software product. They identify project scope, assign roles to team members, developers, engineers, QA specialists, and create a timeline. By using Gantt charts for visualization and consistent communication, they ensure all teams are aligned, facilitating smooth progress from development to launch. Conclusion. Project management is integral to coordinating efforts across teams and departments to achieve singular objectives. Whether in software development, construction, or any other field, having a clear project management strategy promotes teamwork, enhances communication, and alleviates resource strain. As businesses increasingly rely on project-based initiatives, mastering project management concepts becomes invaluable for future success.